Okay, here we have the Red Arrow bike. It's a 1976 Suzuki GT750A. UK from new. Numbers correct bike. Which has been completely rebuilt. Under the seat. This was really crusty. And it's got a mudguard, man rear mudguard on it. This bike had done 85,000 miles, so obviously it's had the crank rebuilt, all new bearings, con rods, reboard. This bike's also had a new gearbox with all new bearings because of the mileage. Right, start it up. Very sweetly. I've rebuilt everything, handlebar switches, clocks. I've not even ridden it yet. Still very, very tight. Very responsive on the throttle. Bike is available. If you want it, let me know. Thanks for watching.